Tesla's Gigafactory Shanghai, located in China, is a manufacturing powerhouse that continues to astound the world with its efficiency and scale. Recent reports indicate that the factory can produce a brand new Model 3 or Model Y every 40 seconds.
The world is changing faster than anyone expected. Once, building a car took hundreds of workers, thousands of tools, and months of time. But now, Tesla has flipped the entire industry upside down. Welcome to the Tesla Gigafactory, the world's first fully automated car factory, where intelligent robots build a complete car in just 45 seconds. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. Elon Musk calls it the machine that builds the machine. While other companies try to improve their cars, Tesla is improving how the car is made. Inside this factory, thousands of synchronized robots move like a living organism. Mechanical arms weld metal faster than the human eye can track. Laser-guided systems place every component with microscopic accuracy, and AI monitors every step, learning, optimizing, and evolving. The most shocking part? Humans inside this factory don't build cars. They just monitor the robots. This new factory line is called Giga Press 9000, a machine powerful enough to mold the entire frame of a car in one single piece. No welding, no joints, no assembling hundreds of parts. One solid form, lighter, stronger, cheaper to produce, and safer in crashes. The result? Tesla can now manufacture cars faster than Toyota, cheaper than BYD, and with precision far beyond any traditional automaker. And it doesn't end there. Tesla is now integrating self-learning AI, capable of detecting defects before they happen. This means zero waste, zero slowdowns, and near-perfect quality. Every minute saved, every cost reduced, increases Tesla's advantage. Competitors are terrified. Because this factory doesn't just make cars, it makes profit. And the more cars Tesla produces, the cheaper they become. And the cheaper they become, the faster the world switches to electric. We are not just watching a company evolve. We are watching the beginning of the robot economy, where machines build machines and humans design the future. And Elon Musk? He's already building the next version. A factory that will run 24/7 with zero human labor. The question isn't if this will change the world. The question is, are we ready for it?